his passions and turning them into something pretty special.
Our Steve Harris has the story of how this kid's love for tech and law combined to better our community.
AI, artificial intelligence, it can be fun. For instance, here I am on Mount Everest, and here I am skydiving. I know it's going to be hard to believe, but I actually made these. These are not AI. I don't know how to do it. But I met a young man who not only knows how to use AI, he knows how to create it. And he's only 17 years old. Raj Jalati is a senior at Parkway West High School with two interests.
I think technology and law.
And while you might not think they'd go together, Raj has proved they can.
The Constitution hadn't really changed much. It was the interpretation that changed.
But before I show you what he's created, you got to get to know Raj.
Everything that he does is really, he sets out to help other people. He pulls other people into those situations.
The next generation is going to be even better because of students like Raj and all he does to not just care for our school right now, but for the greater community.
Helping people. That's his motivation.
There's a big legal deficit in this country. A lot of people don't have access to legal resources in civil court cases. And so I built a bot that could basically predict a court case. So it could basically be like an introduction lawyer.
It's called Constitutionality Bot. Here's how it works. You enter your facts, ask it if you have a case, anything from whether or not you can recover attorney's fees and court costs to whether your First Amendment rights were violated.
It'll take like a few seconds to process.
And you get an answer.
It expects 9 Supreme Court justices to agree with what the bot predicts. It doesn't replace lawyer, but it can help people understand a court case much better.
So yeah, artificial intelligence can be fun, but for Raj, it's about making the world a better place.
I've always wanted to play a part and play a role in my society for the better. And so I think that this was a really cutting-edge way to do that as well.
Steve Harris, First Alert 4.
It's awesome, using his smarts to help others.
It's great.
Impressive.
I think
17
that's what we all
years
want out of
old.
technology.
Big smarts, too.
Right.
Seriously.
Yeah,
I mean, he understands law and he understands programming and tech.
That's like two of the hardest things to understand.
I barely understand meteorology.